In a world where technology increasingly merges with our daily lives, the rapid advancements in smart homes, augmented reality, electric vehicles, wearable health tech, and 3D printing are not just futuristic concepts, they're shaping our reality today. Each of these innovations represents a bold step into a future where convenience, connectivity, and creativity redefine how we interact with our environment, manage our health, and pursue our passions. Throughout this video, we delve into these transformative technologies, exploring their current applications and profound implications for our lives, illustrating that the line between fiction and reality is, in fact, vanishing before our eyes. Imagine entering your home after a long day. The door unlocks as you approach, and the lights dim to a warm glow. Your favorite music plays softly in the background, perfectly matched to your mood. This is the magic of smart home assistants, making life not just easier but more enjoyable. These digital companions learn from you, anticipate your needs, and transform your living space into a harmonious sanctuary that adapts to your lifestyle. Welcome to a world where your home understands you as though it knows you personally, reflecting your preferences in real time. It's not just about automation, it's about creating an experience that enhances your daily routine and promotes well-being. Imagine the moment you slip on a sleek pair of augmented reality glasses. The world around you instantly transforms. You see digital overlays enhancing your environment, with directions appearing on the sidewalk as you walk, and holographic notifications floating beside your peripheral vision, guiding you seamlessly through your day. This is not merely an advancement in technology, it's a complete reimagining of how we interact with both the physical and digital worlds, enriching our experiences and broadening our horizons. As we shift to electric vehicles, picture driving a car that not only takes you from point A to B but also engages in conversation. Your vehicle can assess traffic conditions, suggest alternative routes, and even schedule service appointments autonomously, ensuring a seamless and intelligent driving experience. This shift is more than just an eco-friendly choice. It's about embracing a smarter future where your car evolves alongside you, enhancing every journey. Imagine the sense of relief knowing that your vehicle has your back, allowing you to focus on what truly matters while it handles the logistics. Your smartwatch buzzes gently as you glance at the notification. It's reminding you to take a break and practice your breathing exercises, optimizing your mental well-being with intuitive guidance. This personalized intervention exemplifies wearables' remarkable ability to empower you with crucial health insights, allowing proactive management of stress and fitness levels. As vibrant graphs display your heart rate and sleep cycles, you realize that these technologies provide far more than mere data. They hold the potential to transform everyday choices into powerful health decisions. In a world where health is paramount, such innovation means being equipped to not just react but to anticipate. Your body is no longer a mysterious vessel, it's a domain of informed choices and measured progress. With each heartbeat, your smartwatch tracks not just numbers, but your journey toward wellness. As we explore 3D printing, envision walking into a space where creativity knows no bounds. Imagine the thrill of designing a custom piece of furniture and, within hours, watching it materialize in front of your eyes layer by layer, turning your ideas into tangible creations. From delicate jewelry to functional medical devices, the possibilities of 3D printing expand across countless fields, allowing individuals and businesses alike to prototype, innovate, and produce with unprecedented speed and efficiency. With this technology, you are not merely a consumer. You become a creator, a designer, empowered to shape your world according to your vision. As we transition from the tangible to the future, let's shine a light on what's just around the corner in technology. Revolutionary concepts like AI-powered personal tutors are set to change education forever, adapting learning to each student's unique pace and style. Picture a world where algorithms analyze your strengths and weaknesses to provide personalized lesson plans and real-time feedback. Similarly, brain-computer interfaces, once confined to science fiction, are gradually becoming a reality, enabling us to control devices with mere thoughts. Imagine sending a message without typing or navigating your smart home just by envisioning the actions. This form of communication can break barriers and empower individuals with disabilities or those who find traditional interfaces challenging. Meanwhile, self-replicating robots poised to explore the far reaches of space hint at adventures beyond our imagination. The implications for exploration and knowledge expansion are limitless, allowing us to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. On the horizon, nanotechnology-based drug delivery systems promise groundbreaking advancements in medicine, enabling targeted therapies that can revolutionize treatment efficacy and reduce side effects. In a reality where healthcare becomes more personalized, this means not just hope but tangible improvement in survival rates and quality of life. And let's not overlook the concept of holographic communication, where lifelike avatars could enable more immersive virtual interactions, connecting us with loved ones across continents as if they were right beside us. Together, these innovations signal an era filled with promise, transformation, and endless potential, revolutionizing how we learn, communicate, and connect. So, what do you think? Are we living in the future already? The technologies we've covered, smart homes, AR, electric vehicles, wearable health tech, and 3D printing, aren't just cool gadgets. They're redefining human life. They're changing how we work, how we create, how we stay healthy, and even how we dream. And the best part? You don't have to wait to experience it. You can start using them today. If you enjoyed this journey through the tech of tomorrow, hit that like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth looks at the incredible innovations shaping our world. The future is bright. The future is now. And it's only just beginning. As we journey through the landscape of tomorrow's technology, it's crucial to take a moment and appreciate just how integral these advancements are to our lives. They represent more than mere conveniences. They illustrate a deep-seated evolution in the way we interact with the world around us. From smart homes that cater to our every whim to electric vehicles that redefine our commutes, every innovation nudges us further into a future where humanity's potential is magnified. The foundation of our daily experiences is shifting, inviting us not just to adapt, but to thrive in an environment rich with possibility. As we step forward, let's embrace these changes and look toward a future filled with hope and excitement. The first technology we explored, smart home assistants, demonstrates how they can enhance our everyday lives by offering a level of convenience and personalization that was once relegated to the realm of fiction. Imagine conversations with your home's voice-activated system, planning your day just with a few spoken words. Next, we ventured into augmented reality, where layers of digital information enrich our perceptions, allowing navigation, learning, and engagement to reach unprecedented heights. Electric vehicles followed, inviting a future of quiet, intelligent travel, pushing the boundaries of what we expect from our cars. As we looked at wearable health tech, we uncovered the power of real-time health monitoring that not only informs our decisions but empowers us to take an active role in our well-being. Finally, we saw how 3D printing revolutionizes creativity and manufacturing, capable of transforming ideas into reality at an astonishing pace. Collectively, these technologies not only improve our daily experiences but also pave the way for a more connected and innovative future. The journey through these advancements isn't just about gadgets, it's about redefining what it means to live in this rapidly evolving world. Imagine flipping through your social media feed and discovering that AI-powered personal tutors can now help students engage and learn better, regardless of their location or background. These advanced systems analyze individual learning styles, adapting their teaching methods to fit each student's unique pace, ultimately transforming education into a highly personalized experience. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all approaches. Instead, education becomes a tailored journey, where students feel empowered and supported every step of the way. This personalized learning model not only helps to bridge academic gaps but also fosters a newfound love for knowledge, encouraging exploration and curiosity in learners of all ages. With such advancements hovering on the horizon, it's evident that the future of education is not just bright, it's ushering in an era of limitless learning opportunities. As we look to the horizon of technology that promises to elevate our daily realities even further, let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of holographic communication. Picture an environment where distance becomes irrelevant, and your loved ones or colleagues appear right in front of you as lifelike 3D avatars. Imagine discussing plans with a friend across the globe, sharing laughter and ideas in a setting that feels real and immediate. This mesmerizing form of interaction could redefine personal connections and business collaboration, making remote working feel as engaging as face-to-face meetings. With prototypes already in development, this technology hints at a future where virtual interactions transform the dynamics of personal and professional relationships alike. As we stand at the brink of such innovations, the possibilities for genuine connection in a digital age feel both exhilarating and profound. As we explore the applications of augmented reality, imagine walking through your local museum. With AR-enabled glasses, historical artifacts come to life with vivid animations, providing context and stories directly in your line of sight. You can see how ancient civilizations thrived, interact with exhibits through touchless technology, and even receive real-time translations of descriptions in your preferred language. This immersive experience transcends traditional learning, turning a day at the museum into a dynamic journey where the past and present collide, making history engaging and accessible for everyone. It's not just education, it's a gateway to deeper understanding and appreciation of our shared human experience. As we conclude this exploration of remarkable technologies shaping our lives today, it's clear that we are not merely witnesses to innovation but active participants in a rapidly evolving landscape. Embracing these advancements allows us to unlock new levels of convenience, creativity, and connectivity. Whether enhancing our homes, transforming mobility, or empowering our health, these technologies are paving the way for an unprecedented future. Remember, the journey of innovation continues, and the best is yet to come. Let's welcome it together. The technologies we've discussed are not just tools, they're pathways to a future filled with potential and promise. As we integrate these advancements into our lives, they empower us, enhance our experiences, and redefine what is possible. Together, we stand on the threshold of an exciting era, where the boundaries of our imaginations are limited only by our willingness to embrace change. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.